The National Theatre and Concert Hall's Ideas Lab is an annual experimental project that combines theater, music, and dance. This year's theme is emo. FTV reporter Stephany Yang takes us in for a sneak peek.
Blind dancers and other dancers dance together in the dark, combining movements with sounds produced by different objects. The dancers challenge the idea of how dances can be perceived and understood without sight.
The question that our work is tackling is, in the absence of vision, how do we feel the kinetic energy of a dance or a movement and know what the dance is about? Half of the dancers are blind, while the other half is not.
Another show invites the audience to witness police drills and their training. Through interviews and literature research, the creators hope to unveil the training process that police go through, bringing to light the systemic violence and the high-pressure environment in which they live.
Over the past few years, situations overseas have created a relatively negative image of the police. But in theory, the police are the executors of public power. After precise training, they enforce the law and detect crimes and so forth. During the interview, we found that the police face huge internal and external pressures. They face many moral problems that run opposite to public opinion.
This year's Ideas Lab project centers on the term emo. Emo, which is short for emotional, is a term used by youth in Taiwan. The term originated from the U.S.'s hardcore punk music culture of the 1980s. This year, NTCH Ideas Lab invited 5 artists to express the word emo through their works.
现在社交媒体里面流行用语叫做 emo。
The popular term on social media right now is emo, which seems to describe being a little helpless and angry about things. But nothing is being done on social platforms. What we see from these artists is that their complaints or anger about injustices and the world are turned into attempts to provide an answer or interpretation through their works, or they provide a direction to move forward. That's what's special about the NTCH Ideas Lab. The spirit of the NTCH Ideas Lab is, I may be lost, but I am never afraid. When I see a goal, I persevere.
5 groups will stage 20 performances at the NTCH Experimental Theater from June 9th to July 16th. FTV reporter Stephany Yang and Hong Guokai in Taipei.